All right, this video is on expressions terms. So we've learned about expressions. They don't have an equal marks and they can turn words into mathematical expressions. So let's talk about some terms that go along with expressions. A variable. So a variable is a letter in an expression. Examples could be X, Y, Z, M, any other letter. Uh, the math geeks usually use X, Y are your two favorites because in algebra, X is not multiply. You probably don't want to use O. Probably don't want to use T because that looks like a plus and a zero. Although you will see books and worksheets or whatever else use a lowercase t. Also, S is used in books and other things as a lowercase s, but when you write it, it's probably not a good idea because it looks like something else. X, Y, Z, M, and when I write a Z, I usually put a line through it, even though because it looks like a two if you don't. W is a popular one, Q, things like that. Those are all variables. Constants, these are numbers that have no letters with them. So x plus 4 is an expression, and x is a variable, and 4 is the constant. So as long as it's a number without any letter with it, that's a constant. Terms, these are the things that are separated by an operation. For example, 4x plus w plus 2, the terms are 4x, w, and 2. So those would be your terms for that problem. Coefficients, these are numbers that are next to the variables. 4x plus 2y is an expression. The coefficients are 4 and 2 because they're right beside a letter. So some examples. Give the variables, constants, terms, and coefficients for the following. 4x plus y plus 2. The variables are x and y. Constant is 2. Terms are 4x, y, and 2. Coefficients are 4 and 1. That's a trick one because there's actually a 1 beside that y. All right, try this on your own. Find the variables, constants, terms, coefficients for each. 4w plus 3. Find the variables, constants, terms, coefficients. The variable is w, constant is 3, terms is 4w and 3, coefficient is 4. 2x plus 3y. Pause here and see if you can get this. The variables are x and y. Constant is 0 because there's no number without a letter, so you just can put 0. I could live with none. Terms are 2x and 3y. Coefficients are 2 and 3. All right, 3 plus 5w plus y. Pause it and find the variable, constant, terms, and coefficient. Variables are w and y. Constant is 3. Terms are 3, 5w and y. Coefficient 5 and 1. Because the 5 goes with the w and the 1 goes with the y. And there you have it.